more for high quality.
Tell her, babe, I'm tryna know you better. I got a feeling this might last forever. I cherish you for real, you my treasure. I ain't looking for no backstabber. Can I trust in you, you my soldier. You can talk to me, you need some closure. Tell me who you are, tell me who you are.
And I'm looking for the fucking closure.
I live a life, baby, you won't comprehend. I live a life, baby, you won't comprehend. Tell me who you are, baby, tell me who you are. Tell me who you are before we get to live large. Tell me who you
As
are.
I'm looking back, yeah, we've been surviving. As I'm looking back, yeah, we've been surviving. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna live. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna live. Yeah. They call it the guap, they call it the cheese, they call it the mullah, they call it the zag. I want it all. I want it all.
Hey,
I want it all.
alright. Manje ngifuna lokuphila.
Are you guys good?
Very good, my brother. Come back at when first.
No, mfethu ngaba ngikhona mfethu ndiya. I'm 100%. Okay.
It's great, it's great.
Nice one. So sibabena bani mfethu?
Right now you're chilling with Crazy Craig, all the way from the same Vision Records, the Hammer Stage.
Showcase.
Sure.
no space ihle obizwa ngospace iqhamuka khona eHammer State.
Nice one. So let's just speak about your names, guys, because I'm sure you that's not like igama la ngempela crazy crane yabo so samanye samthula esitolo ubani isinkwa yabo what the name came about your name and your name as well.
Okay, mina originally igama lami nje Wanele Ngcobo. Igama nje ngaliphiwe ekhaya ngalikwe ekhaya. Crazy Craig came about sengingenile kwi game like for the love of music until I established ukuthi you could be an artist yabo. So initially it was crazy for crazy.
Yeah.
But you get on online about there's somebody else what's up is crazy.
Yeah.
So I gotta add a little spice to go and just too crazy, and then it came about with Crazy Craig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know Crazy Pond?
Crazy Pond
From Pond Times.
Yeah, I know him.
Because sabe ukuthi ngishaya something high speed because phela nami rapper mfethu yabo
Ugijima kakhulu.
Kanti asikho lapho. You my brother.
Hayi lami igama nje elokuzalwa nguSpace ihle. So ngenxa ukuthi ke nami ungena kwami kwigame ngabona ukuthi ayingeke. Angingangeni as uSpace ihle. So I had to convert the name to uSpace because kunabantu ngeEnglish ababizwa ngoPace.
Yeah.
So I added uS lapha ekuqaleni kwaP.
Yeah.
Bese kwaphuma uSpace.
Yeah.
Ucishe ube uSpace ihle uma usuzombiza nje.
Yeah, sure. It's funny because I mean always basically hlezi ngizwa kwamajita hip hop azothi singene kwigame yabona abantu abanye abenza amanye amajandra bathi singena kwethi emculweni yabo. I understand which why it's in the abantu abenza hip hop legacy sithi singene kwigame yabo singene kwigame but amajita mfethu why hip hop?
Hip hop I guess iwona music ingathi growing up from an early age iwona dingulayela kakhulu, of which I grew interest yawo from an early age until I got to a point of like now I can express my story through hip hop because it's one of those music that I fell in love with as a genre. Then from there I developed to be artist, listening to different kinds of people very within the music industry, and then I ended up being here and being Crazy Craig today and representing whatever story that I have to express and hip hop.
Yeah. What was your first story?
You're
speaking of stories, what was your first story to tell? And how did you feel about Kulmanga story? So
because when I grew up, usually like I started from a young age, since primary school. For sure. You're a famous football coach from India, because growing up in a rural area, while you still go to in the township and some suburbs, and then you get to born in the winning now. You create a certain story now because music is small, but real life stories that I go through, but it's true expressing a vibe your music come now that you get to vibe to it, listen to it while you're having a good time, but knowing yes, then the corner it's happening around,
Nice. Space.
Sure.
Kunjani mfethu kusebenza no crazy, because I mean it's always difficult, you know, when you're working with someone, especially someone like Hanji, you know, perform until good aim mfethu. I cannot go out today. You know, this and that, or baby sithile vandag, and tot labo mfethu wena uyayifila le number kumele beshayela abantu. So kunjani ukusebenza nabayithuni out?
Kumnandi kakhulu ukusebenza nabafowethu,
Sure.
because I'm not just working with uCraig kuphela,
Yeah.
ngisebenza nje ne-crew, abo PK, abo Pig the DJ, abo Sierra.
Yeah.
So whenever kuna something ngenzakala like yona radio show kanye ama-events, I make sure ukuthi ngiyazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngibe lapho, because nginothando lalento le. Ever
Yeah.
since ngayiqala nje kufanele ukuthi ngibe na something engiyenzayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys have a new song. It's called A Lifestyle. So, what is the vision basically? It's 2026. Only a couple of months left before Suvala 2026 rather. So it's a keep on for you to. Athi namachita enzani lo nyaka.
Kulo nyaka mfowethu siyasebenza kune-event esizoyenza elauncha wona ama-EP yami okuyi-Anchor, kube i-EP ya Crazy Craig okuyi-Energies. So kule event esizoyenza kunama-artist esifisa ukuthi siwafake kuyona le event le, but kuzoqala ngelontunjana nge-function, kuzoba ne-function yalo eyi-workshop.
Yeah.
So lapho sizobe sikhetha ama-artist thizeni azongena lapho ukuthi akwazi ukuthi aperforme, then kuzoba nesipholo later on ngoDecember
Sure.
mesesivala unyaka.
Sure.
Isipholo
Sure.
i-event esiyenza yearly. This year kuzobe kunyaka wesi-6 esiyenza. So kunama-artist esifisa ukuthi siwafake kwi-event, not just thina ukuthi kubonakale thina, because sifuna ubafaka nje nabafowethu bayenze lento le.
Yeah.
So kwi-double EP launch labafowethu labo umuntu kufanele afake lo 100 rand for ukuzibonakalisa ukuthi uyayifisa lento le ukuthi ayenze.
Yeah.
Then excuse me, and then we get to choose ke labo bantu mhlambe abawu6 mhlambe abazoperform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think tell about injani vibe hip hop Hammersdale. What's the vibe? Because there's someone listening right now, and we have before this year ends,
Yeah.
and we have some book shy around. What's the vibe and Hammersdale when it comes to the hip hop?
The vibe is there. People are loving the music in Hammersdale. It's
Yeah.
just that value ayazi ke njalo kuhlele kunjalo ku-industry, everybody wanna prove themselves, but at the end of the day thina si-SVR sike sisebenzisane nawo ngumuntu,
Yeah.
because we do it for a culture futhi and for the business side of music, ukuthi music over time ukuthi now ukhombisa ukuthi uyasikhulisa somehow, senza abantu abangcono through one. Yeah, so the vibe for music nje is there and everybody can come through. Njengoba siyenza ne-event sithi ukuthi the event esiyenza of which is launch ama-project ethu, of which mine is i-Energies EP, and then uSpace kube i-Anchor EP. Lawa siwa-launcha leading up to i-event enkulu esiyenza annually, of which is
Spoil.
Spoil.
Sure.
Nice one. So sikhulumeni about this song, Lifestyle. Qhamuka kanjani?
I-lifestyle ifowethu impilo esisafisa ukuthi siyiphile
Yeah.
nesizamayo ukuthi sihambe kuyona. So ngaqhamuka nalelo gama ke laleyo ngoma lelo, because ingoma vele yami. So umfowethu uPK wangisiza ngokuthi engenzele i-beat, angiproducele ingoma ezivele kuumuntu vele osebenza ngaleyo nto lapha kwi-Same Vision Records. Yeah.
All right. So speaking of this song being called Lifestyle, and we are sure ukuthi iyona impilo enifisa ukuthi niyiphile, ne, going forward. So within the scale of 100%, ne, how many like isingakanani percentage when you book about impilo eniniyiphile? Is it 20, 30, 40? What's up?
Hayi
Ngishaya baby. Ngiyafuna ukungishaya.
lutho mfowethu. Mhlawumbe ipercentage singasho nje sithi hayi mhlawumbe ilapha ku 56 siyasondela khona. Siyasondela. Ku 56 siyasondela.
Showcase. But before I let you go, guys, and what else you want to say to your fans, you know, to the youngins out there, about hip hop or about music before I let you go?
before violent nje mhlawumbe enye into that lifestyle song iyaspace it's Pacey from i-album yakhe of which Enka. Yeah, since it's so much launch, it's more like now he's launching his project. Now I'm launching my project. So it's one of the major songs from EP Enka. In closing, just sibonge about for this opportunity ukuthi sifike nathi sikwazi express through this yenza usinike lo platform. But it's open for us. You're more than welcome to work with us. Mina Crazy Craig on all of our social media platforms. That's where you find me. You feel good, you can work together, throw me that, or even talk to us through Same Vision Records, because you're a company of which we represent mostly.
I know that my face.
Mina ngitholakala ngospace kuyona yonke indawo ku-TikTok ku-Facebook uspace nje abantu abaningi babe nenkinga ukuthi babhalele lo gama la space so kuba u-SPE kube u-RCY izona gama ke nje lelo ozongithola kulona
angenile ama-arts kwi-industry ukuthi nje ngiphatheka kabi because alimtshelanga mfethu space ukuthi ngiseyakutetele That's a lot for pulling through right here on the Hot Up Show. It is 7:49 and that is your time. And of course, don't forget that at 8:10 we're going to be giving you a Hot Up local top 5 right here on the Hot Up Show. But for now, please do enjoy this one. It's Pacey, Crazy Craig, Amajita Shama Dimas.
Your radio station in under 88.5. Almost high quality.
Tell her, babe, I'm tryna know you better. I got a feeling this might last forever. I cherish you for real, you my treasure. I ain't looking for no backstabber. Can I trust in you, you my soldier. You can talk to me, you need some closure. Tell me who you are, tell me who you are.
And I'm looking for the fucking closure.
I live a life, baby, you won't comprehend. I live a life, baby, you won't comprehend. Tell me who you are, baby, tell me who you are. Tell me who you are before we get to live large. Tell me who you
As
are.
I'm looking back, we've been surviving. As I'm looking back, we've been surviving. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna live. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna live. Yeah. They call it the guap, they call it the cheese, they call it the mullah, they call it the zag. I want it all. I want it all.
Hey,
I want it all.
alright. Manje ngifuna lokuphila.